Hello viewers, this is Sam and Sugar, and today we are going to give you an information which is very useful if you are trading in stock market. Basically, if you are trading in stock market, you need to make sure that you are doing everything under the Income Tax Act. Basically, if you are trading in stock market on margin money, a trading house like India Infoline and Sharekhan, they tend to give you 10 to 12 times your money. Means suppose if you have 5 lakhs in your trading account, then they will give you a margin up to 60 lakhs to buy shares and sell it on the same day. So what happens is you have around 5 lakh in your account, but you have purchased shares worth 60 lakhs on the same day and square it off on the same day, say for 61 lakhs. So what happens, your turnover is not 61 lakhs, it's 1 lakh. Say for instance you have purchased something on margin money, say for 80 lakhs and sold it for 75 lakhs. Your 5 lakh loss now becomes your turnover. So turnover is calculated on the net profit or loss that you make. So that is one thing. But what happens when you buy a share on margin money and you don't square it off on the same day? In that case, your entire sale value will be your turnover. So let's say for instance you purchased something for 60 lakhs and next day you sold it for 61 lakhs. 61 lakhs becomes your turnover. Let's say you sold the same thing next day at 59 lakhs. 1 lakh is your loss and 59 lakhs will be your turnover. So if your turnover exceeds 1 crore in a financial year, which starts at 1st of April to 31st of March, then you will be liable for tax audit. And if you have not done your tax audit, then the income tax officer will charge you penalty minimum 1% of the total turnover. That comes to around 1 lakh minimum, which is not good, especially for those who are making losses and exceeding the turnover limits. In the next slide you will see everything what I mean. In case you are trading in options, or futures, the net profit or net loss will be your turnover, irrespective of what day you purchase or you sell. It is always the net profit or net loss which will be your turnover. Second thing, when you're filing return of income, you have to calculate total turnover, what comes under trading from margin money and from futures and options. Then you have to put your purchase to the turnover. Let's say for example you made a net profit of 5 lakhs. Your turnover is, as per income tax rule, comes to around say 90 lakhs. So your purchase will be 85 lakhs. So 5 lakhs will be your profit. Let's say the 5 lakh is coming entirely from futures and options, then that will appear as business income. So if you're trading on margin money, you made profits or losses, now that will go under speculation income as profit or speculation profit or losses. So that's how the income tax works. You can see in the next slide, and I hope this information was useful to you. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Guys, if you have any queries or you need any help regarding income tax or stock market related issues pertaining to income tax or income tax notice, then you can just put your comment down. Yeah, there. And I'll revert back to you. And since I'm a chartered accountant, this is a piece of cake for me. Bye. Bye. Bye bye.